Hi, hello, welcome to Tech in Pocket. Today let's quickly review a Windows 11 experience. So we'll just glance through each and every section of Windows 11 and the changes it's bringing in. Let's start with the taskbar. We can see all icons are tapped to the center of the tab bar, unlike Windows 10. So if you start with Windows search bar, this is a search bar where we can search everything. And we have a list of applications getting pinned at the top. We can see all apps by tapping on here. Here we can see even search the apps based on alphabets. And we have a recommended section where if user is trying to edit some document, the latest edited document will be shown here. As of now, it is a new version of Windows 11. We don't see those changes. We have the recent changes being highlighted here. This is the start menu. And we have dedication section for search. It will point to here. From here we can search apps, documents, even we can search, perform a Google search and all from here. So this is the desktop mode where we can create multiple desktop modes. We can switch between those using this pen. Let's quickly delete those and come to the default one. And this is the default widget section, which is a brand new one coming with the Windows 11. Here will be a bunch of widgets will be shown here. For example, weather, market details, and the current ongoing sports, followed by top stories on your locality, etc. So this experience will be highlighted more when you use the PC for a long time. This experience will be even more personalized. And we have a Microsoft Teams pre-installed with this Windows 11, which is a new version 2 of Microsoft Teams. And as we all know, Microsoft Edge is the default browser. So it's very faster when compared to Chrome, as it is natively built for Windows 11. As you can see, closing and opening is very fast. And we have our new file explorer. As you can see, we have a refreshed icons and the UI layout is very refreshing. You can see all things getting highlighted. We have the new icon sets for both quick access tag bars and the actual icons. Coming to Microsoft Store itself, it is a rebranded version of the Microsoft Store in Windows 10. It comes with a bunch of applications. So as you can see in this version, we are able to see some native applications in this, and a bunch of sections are getting highlighted for user experience, and a dedicated tab for apps where Microsoft specific apps will be highlighted first, followed by free apps, essential apps, etc. And a dedicated tab for gaming. With Windows 11 you can download directly the games and play it up and purchase them if required. This is the new Microsoft Store experience. As you can see in this version of Windows 11, we are yet to experience Android apps nativity. So Android app functionality is supposed to come within 2 to 3 weeks. So I will do a dedicated video on that once Android apps are available. So let's quickly close Microsoft Store for now. And we have a mail which default coming with Windows 11. And this is a settings tab. As you can see, it's completely changed in terms of look, functionality, and in terms of categorizing those settings. If we move into display, this is the brightness controller followed by some settings. And we have a personalization section. So as you can see, it has bunch of themes pre-built. This is the default Windows 11 which they are highlighting. We have light mode, dark mode. We can even change the backgrounds, colors, themes. We can change the experience of lock screen. We can even control what we have to pin it in the taskbar, etc. As you can see now, this is the default experience wallpaper of Windows 11. You can see this in promotions of Windows 11 perfectly. And you can do some time and language. As you can see, we even received a bunch of updates on the next iterations of Windows 11. You can even see the highlighted amount of time it will take. it is highlighting that it will take exactly 5 minutes to upgrade the PC with these changes. So as of now, the experience is better, buttery smooth in terms of switching between apps, in terms of opening browsers and all. So let's follow us. Please like and subscribe our channel. We'll be uploading more Windows 11 specific videos, and we'll be providing some tips and tips on the Windows 11. Thank you. Signing off.